Have you ever wondered what Sperax is? Well, today is your lucky day. We're about to delve into this fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and uncover the mystery of Sperax. So get comfortable and prepare for an enlightening journey. Imagine a bridge. Now, this isn't your ordinary everyday bridge. No, this bridge connects two worlds. On one side, you have the traditional financial world that we've all grown up with. Banks, credit cards, loans, and the like. On the other side, there's the innovative digital world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Sperax is that bridge. It's a new financial protocol that combines the best of both worlds, the stability and trust of the traditional financial market with the innovation and efficiency of blockchain technology. Intriguing, isn't it? In the heart of Sperax is the SPA, a cryptocurrency designed to be stable, secure, and scalable. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, SPA is not subject to wild price fluctuations, making it a reliable store of value. It also offers a high level of security, thanks to a unique consensus mechanism called BDLS, which stands for Byzantine Fault Tolerance, Delegated Proof of Stake, and Leaderless Consensus. It's a mouthful, I know, but it essentially means that the system is designed to withstand attacks and failures without compromising its functionality. But Sperax doesn't stop there. It also introduces a new concept called Sperax Play. Think of it as a playground for financial innovation. Sperax Play allows developers to create decentralized applications, or dApps, that can offer various financial services, such as lending, borrowing, and trading, all in a secure and efficient manner. It's like having a financial marketplace at your fingertips. Now, you might be wondering, with so many cryptocurrencies out there, what makes Sperax unique? Well, the answer is Sperax is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a comprehensive financial ecosystem that aims to bring the benefits of blockchain to everyday financial transactions. It's about making finance more accessible, more efficient, and more inclusive. And that, my friends, is the magic of Sperax. So to summarize, Sperax is a financial protocol that aims to bridge the gap between the traditional financial market and the blockchain world. It offers a stable cryptocurrency, SPA, which is designed to be secure and scalable. It introduces Sperax Play, a platform for financial innovation, and it aims to make finance more accessible and efficient. Sperax is a testament to the power of innovation and the potential of blockchain technology. It's a glimpse into a future where finance is no longer a privilege of the few, but a right of the many. And whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a curious newcomer, it's a journey worth embarking on. So there you have it. Sperax, in a nutshell, is a bridge to a better financial future. How about that for a light bulb moment? Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating.